Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for funding travel expenses. When your goal is to pay for travel using dividend income, the first step is to define your travel expense target. This means estimating how much money you want your investments to generate every year for vacations, flights, hotels, food, transportation, and other travel costs. For example, in this calculation, the goal is to fund $5,000 in travel expenses every year. Since the travel goal is already shown as an annual cost, we can use $5,000 as the required annual dividend income. Next, calculate the net dividend yield. Net dividend yield means the dividend yield after taxes and fees. This is important because your real income may be lower than the dividend yield shown on paper. The formula is net dividend yield equals dividend yield multiplied by 1 minus tax rate minus fees. For example, if the dividend yield is 4%, the tax rate is 15%, and fees are 0.5%, then the net dividend yield becomes about 3.4%. This means your portfolio is estimated to produce 3.4% after taxes and fees. After that, apply the break-even formula. Required portfolio value equals annual travel cost divided by net dividend yield. So, in this example, the annual travel cost is $5,000, and the net dividend yield is 3.4%. The calculation is 5,000 divided by 0.034, which equals approximately $147,059. This means that to fund about $5,000 in travel expenses every year, you may need around $147,059 invested at a 3.4% net dividend yield. Then, it is useful to compare how different yields affect the required amount. At a 2% net dividend yield, you may need about $250,000. At 2.5%, you may need about $200,000. At 3%, the required portfolio value becomes about $166,667. At 4%, it drops to $125,000. At 5%, it becomes $100,000. And at 6%, it becomes about $83,333. However, remember that a higher yield can reduce the amount you need, but it may also involve higher risk. That is why it is important to focus not only on yield, but also on dividend quality, consistency, and portfolio diversification. Now, you can also use a quick shortcut formula. Required portfolio value equals annual travel cost divided by net dividend yield. So, if your annual travel cost is $5,000 and your net dividend yield is 3.4%, the shortcut gives the same answer, about $147,059. Finally, keep a few helpful reminders in mind. Dividend yields can change, so review your plan regularly. Diversifying your portfolio can help reduce risk. Taxes, fees, and inflation can affect your real travel income. Reinvesting dividends can help your portfolio grow faster. Also, building a safety margin can help protect your travel fund from unexpected events or rising travel costs. Overall, this calculation gives you a simple way to estimate how much portfolio value may be needed to let dividends help pay for your travel goals year after year. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.